Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Vishal Sunak, CEO of LinkSquares, to discuss how legal teams are evolving and leveraging the right technology to focus on more complex tasks. Vishal, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Jill, thanks for having me.
You got it. And explain to us, what does LinkSquares do?
Yeah, we build software for in-house legal teams. We have the leading contract management platform, and businesses that use our software work more efficiently, more effectively, save a lot of time, save a lot of money. We have over 1,000 customers all over the world.
What made you interested in serving this specific market, the legal field, with SaaS?
Yeah, I'm not a lawyer, so it was a firsthand pain that I experienced working in cloud economy for the last decade. My co-founder and I worked at a company, went through an acquisition. We saw the pain around not knowing what was inside our contracts. We thought it was a really interesting business problem, and we just kind of dived into it.
And part of your early thesis was that legal teams had always had the organizational influence and ability to influence and drive business decisions, but their skills were wasted.
Yeah, and I think the low value, significantly time-consuming tasks have historically dragged them down, like doing things manually, doing things that take hundreds of hours that now can be automated through technology. So we definitely saw a big opportunity as the general counsels themselves are trying to reinvent who they are here.
And why do you think the legal industry is ripe for disruption?
Yeah, legal has historically been slow to adopt technology, unlike their kind of peers in other departments. And so now with kind of like the new age, hipper technology first general counsels, they're seeking, firstly, systems that can generate data, reporting, advanced predictions, much like their peers have on the executive team. But they're also looking for that parity with other departments to be able to bring data into a strategic conversation and just continue to add value, make their businesses more awesome, move their business forward faster, versus then being maybe historically like a risk manager or just kind of saying no to everything.
So tell us more about the AI-powered platform that you created, and are legal teams seeing the benefits of that?
Yeah, the artificial intelligence journey we've been on for the last 7 years is specifically around technology that can read executed agreements and tell you what's inside it in terms of metadata. We call it metadata extraction. Smart Values is the name of it inside of our product. So we can pull out almost 200 pieces of contract metadata in under 20 seconds. This would take hundreds or thousands of hours to know what you agreed to inside every single contract historically. And the ROI is huge. Through independent studies, we've learned businesses are saving millions of dollars a year using our platform versus doing things manually the old-fashioned way, and also seeing kind of immediate ROI on their investment up to like 350% ROI.
How has LinkSquares and the market changed since its founding?
Yeah, we've gone broader and more horizontal in our focus. We started off with contract analytics and then saw the bigger vision of being an end-to-end contracting platform. We were really excited to announce a couple of weeks ago that we see a much broader opportunity to serve the needs of the general counsel in everything that they do and use software more efficiently and effectively across topics like managing your outside counsel or litigation, governance, risk and compliance, IP management. There's just so much opportunity here, Jill, that we're so excited about.
How is the legal team's role changing at growing companies?
Yeah, as I mentioned, kind of removing the former reputation that they're just risk managers and will likely say no to everything, but being more of like a top line business enabler and helping the company achieve the milestones that they're really trying to do. I think most general counsels now that are talking to each other and talking about what they desire are really desiring to be the executive on the team that is helping the business succeed and win. And I think that is creating a huge opportunity just generally for the legal technology economy.
And finally, Vishal, what's next for legal tech? What are the future benefits to these organizations?
Yeah, general counsel wants data more than ever before, and being able to have reporting and dashboards and alerting and automation, much like their peers. General counsel definitely in need of a single platform that can serve all their needs. And we're really excited about the people who are going to give it to them.
And one last question. You raised $160 million to date. What is LinkSquares focused on now?
Yeah, we're focused on operational excellence, strong control of our unit economics. All of it is built and predicated on almost 450 amazing employees that work at LinkSquares, and then continuing to see the opportunity through product innovation and get the word out about LinkSquares to every legal team across the world.
All right. We appreciate the insight, Vishal. Thanks so much for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill.